Are you struggling to choose the best AI tool for coding animations? Let's compare ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Microsoft Copilot to see which can code the best animations. In today's rapidly evolving tech landscape, artificial intelligence has revolutionized the way we approach coding and animation. As a developer, you're likely familiar with the challenges of creating smooth, efficient, and visually appealing animations. The process can be time-consuming and often requires a deep understanding of various programming languages and animation techniques. Enter the world of AI-powered coding assistants. These tools have emerged as game changers in the development industry, offering unprecedented support and capabilities. Among the most prominent contenders in this space are ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Microsoft Copilot. Each of these AI assistants brings unique strengths to the table, but when it comes to coding animations, which one truly stands out? Let's start by examining ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI. Known for its versatility and natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT has gained significant popularity among developers. When it comes to coding animations, ChatGPT demonstrates a remarkable ability to understand context and provide relevant code snippets. One of ChatGPT's strengths lies in its extensive training data, which covers a wide range of programming languages and frameworks commonly used in animation development. This means that whether you're working with JavaScript, CSS, or specialized animation libraries, ChatGPT can offer valuable insights and code suggestions. ChatGPT excels in providing explanations alongside its code recommendations. This feature is particularly useful for developers who are new to animation coding or those looking to understand the underlying principles behind certain techniques. By offering clear and concise explanations, ChatGPT helps developers grasp complex concepts more easily, potentially leading to better quality animations in the long run. However, it's important to note that ChatGPT's code generation for animations may sometimes require fine-tuning or adjustments. While it provides a solid foundation, developers often need to customize the output to fit their specific project requirements perfectly. Moving on to Google Gemini, we encounter a powerful AI model that has been making waves in the tech community. Gemini is designed to be multimodal, meaning it can understand and process various types of input, including text, images, and even video. This capability gives it a unique edge when it comes to animation coding. Gemini's ability to analyze visual input allows it to generate code based on reference images or video clips. This feature can be incredibly useful for developers looking to recreate specific animation styles or effects. By simply providing a visual example, Gemini can suggest relevant code structures and techniques to achieve similar results. Furthermore, Gemini's deep learning algorithms are constantly evolving, incorporating the latest advancements in animation technology. This ensures that the code it generates is up to date with current best practices and optimized for performance. One area where Gemini truly shines is its ability to handle complex, multi-layered animations. It can efficiently break down intricate animations into manageable components, providing developers with a clear roadmap for implementation. This systematic approach can significantly reduce development time and minimize potential errors. However, it's worth noting that Gemini's advanced capabilities may come with a steeper learning curve for some developers. Mastering its full potential might require some time and experimentation, especially for those used to more traditional coding methods. Lastly, we have Microsoft Copilot, a tool that has been gaining traction in the developer community. Built on the foundation of GitHub Copilot, this AI assistant is specifically tailored for software development tasks, including animation coding. One of Copilot's standout features is its seamless integration with popular integrated development environments, or IDEs. This integration allows for a smooth workflow, with Copilot offering real-time suggestions as you code. For animation development, this can be particularly beneficial, as it enables developers to quickly iterate and experiment with different animation techniques without breaking their coding flow. Copilot's strength lies in its ability to understand the context of your project. It analyzes your existing codebase, project structure, and even comments to provide highly relevant and personalized code suggestions. This context awareness is especially valuable when working on complex animation projects that involve multiple files and dependencies. Moreover, Copilot excels in generating boilerplate code for animations. It can quickly set up the basic structure for various animation types, saving developers precious time that can be better spent on fine-tuning and perfecting the details. Another advantage of Copilot is its vast knowledge base, which includes countless open-source animation projects. This means it can draw inspiration from a wide range of existing animations, offering diverse and creative solutions to your coding challenges. However, like any AI tool, Copilot is not infallible. While its suggestions are generally accurate, developers should always review and test the generated code to ensure it meets their specific requirements and adheres to best practices. Now that we've explored the strengths of each AI assistant, let's compare them head-to-head in various aspects of animation coding. In terms of code quality, all three tools generally produce clean and efficient code. However, Copilot often edges out the competition due to its deep integration with development environments and its ability to understand project-specific contexts. When it comes to handling complex animations, Gemini takes the lead. Its multimodal capabilities and advanced algorithms make it particularly adept at breaking down and recreating intricate animation sequences. For ease of use and accessibility, ChatGPT stands out. Its conversational interface and detailed explanations make it an excellent choice for developers of all skill levels, from beginners to experts. In terms of up-to-date knowledge and cutting-edge techniques, Gemini and Copilot are neck and neck. Both are constantly updated with the latest advancements in animation technology, ensuring that developers have access to the most current tools and methods. For project integration and workflow optimization, Copilot is the clear winner. Its seamless IDE integration and context-aware suggestions make it an invaluable tool for streamlining the animation development process. When it comes to creativity and generating unique animation ideas, all three tools have their merits. ChatGPT's vast knowledge base can inspire creative solutions, Gemini's visual understanding can lead to innovative approaches, and Copilot's access to numerous open-source projects can spark new ideas. In terms of performance optimization, Gemini and Copilot have a slight edge. Their advanced algorithms are particularly good at suggesting code optimizations that can lead to smoother, more efficient animations. For cross-platform and responsive animations, all three tools perform admirably. They can generate code that works across different devices and screen sizes, although developers may need to make some adjustments for perfect responsiveness. When it comes to debugging and error handling in animation code, Copilot takes the lead. Its deep integration with development environments allows it to provide more accurate and context-specific debugging suggestions. For learning and skill development, ChatGPT offers the most comprehensive explanations, making it an excellent tool for developers looking to improve their animation coding skills. In terms of community support and resources, all three tools benefit from large and active user communities. However, Copilot's connection to GitHub gives it a slight advantage in terms of available resources and user-contributed knowledge. When considering long-term project maintenance, Copilot's context awareness and GitHub integration make it particularly useful for managing and updating animation code over time. For real-time collaborative animation projects, Gemini's multimodal capabilities could potentially offer unique advantages, although all three tools can be effectively used in team settings. In terms of customization and fine-tuning of animations, all three tools provide a solid foundation, but developers will likely need to make manual adjustments to achieve precise, project-specific results. When it comes to generating animations for different programming languages and frameworks, ChatGPT's versatility gives it a slight edge, although all three tools support a wide range of technologies. For creating interactive and user-responsive animations, Copilot's real-time suggestions in the development environment can be particularly helpful in implementing complex user interactions. In terms of documentation and commenting on animation code, ChatGPT's detailed explanations can be easily adapted into comprehensive code comments and documentation. When considering the future potential and ongoing development of these AI tools, all three show promising roadmaps. However, Gemini's ambitious multimodal approach and Copilot's deep integration with development workflows suggest particularly exciting possibilities for future animation coding capabilities. In conclusion, while each of these AI assistants, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Microsoft Copilot, brings unique strengths to the table, the best choice for coding animations ultimately depends on your specific needs and workflow preferences. ChatGPT offers unparalleled explanations and versatility, making it an excellent choice for learning and understanding animation coding concepts. Google Gemini's multimodal capabilities and advanced algorithms make it ideal for tackling complex, visually driven animations. Microsoft Copilot, with its seamless integration and context awareness, streamlines the animation development process within your existing workflow. As a developer, you might find that a combination of these tools yields the best results. Each has its strengths, and leveraging them strategically can significantly enhance your animation coding capabilities. Remember, while these AI assistants are powerful allies in your development journey, they are tools to augment your skills, not replace them. Your creativity, problem-solving abilities, and understanding of animation principles remain crucial in creating truly outstanding animations. So why wait? Explore these AI coding assistants today and elevate your animation development to new heights.